gasps, clicks, and growls.
Just hums, clicking sounds. Determined grunts.
The trio collaborates to stabilize the regulator.
Nova and Zephyr follow Pico's instructions. Puff. The regulator stabilizes, and the winds calm.
The regulator hums softly, signaling stability.
Acknowledgement is a step toward unity.
The team sets out, ready for new challenges. The team reflects on their progress.
Nova spots something unusual ahead.
The team sets off toward the unknown. I believe the shimmer is a latent energy signature.
I told you I saw something. I wonder what that thing is.
Zephyr, I tried to warn you.
State your findings.
I was trying to explain.
An unusual energy signal emerges ahead. The trio arrives at the wind regulator site.
Pico, quickly! Be careful, Zephyr! Almost got it.
Almost. The patterns are shifting. Data confirms stability. Huff.
Click, click.
Zephyr analyzes the regulator's data.
Your analysis has a few gaps.
I've reviewed the data, and it's accurate.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!
We must focus on teamwork now.
The Caravan platform nears its destination, the wind regulator site.
Frustrated growls and hurried clicks.